Create and customize list views, learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to create a custom list view, create a custom list view chart, edit and sort list views. Create a list view. Since users don't need an admin to create list views for them, Maria's going to get some coffee and we'll step into the shoes of one of her coworkers, Erin Donahue. Erin's a new sales rep for USA Medasor, focusing on channels customers in the United States. She wants to get a custom list view so she can see only those types of accounts. Here we go. From the app launcher, find and select the Sales app and select the Accounts tab. Let's find that. Let's see, Sales app. And the accounts. This should be the Sales app. Let's just go there again. Maybe accounts wasn't there. Yeah, I think it wasn't integrated into that app we created. So let's go to account there. From the list view, click create new. Name the list channel customers. Okay, it says list view controls. Where do we have it? Oh, there it is. List name, channel customers, use API name, automatically generates one. All users can see this list view. And click save. So far the list view is showing us all the accounts regardless of their type or location. Also the filters panel is now available. So this is not that great, so let's make this a bit smaller. Still not great, maybe you can no, but anyway, that should do for now. Let's see if we can at least see there. Account site, billing phone, account owner, and this is the state, I suppose. That is correct. Let's set up some filters. First, Erin wants to see only channel customers. Click Add Filter. Type equals. Customer channel filter. Just gonna copy paste this here. Sure, the field is supposed to be account name here. Supposed to be type equals customer. Oh, okay, we can check it there. We can select it here. And done and save. Great, the list has been pared down to only channel customers. Let's say Aaron not only wants to see channel customers, but also only those on the West Coast. Add another filter where billing state profit equals Washington, Oregon, or California. Billing state province equals. Let's copy paste it there. Done and save. Looks good. It's also like in the picture here. Let's enlarge that again. That's the same. You can collapse and expand the filter pane by clicking the funnel icon thingy. You can change who can see the list view by clicking the gear icon and select sharing settings, which would be here. And where do we have the filter pane? Let's say, right. Customize a list view. You've created a custom list view and added filters, but there's even more you can do. Aaron doesn't want to see certain columns and wants to add others, so let's start there. From the list view, select fields to display. Move to account side, account owner alias, and phone out of the visible area and add industry and customer priority instead. Let's see where we can find that. Select fields to display. Visible fields. Site. Account owner. And phone, industry and customer priority. Let's see. And customer priority. There we go. And let's see if this is applied right away. Yes, it is. See the little arrow in the account name column header? That indicates which direction the content and that column is sorted. Click the header to sort that column. The arrow indicates how the list is sorted. From the column source record, alphanumerically, or its last. Tip: you can edit records field from within a list view, edit cell display, a pencil icon when you can hover over the cell, while non-editable cells display a lock icon. So I think this is probably what's meant. Can also do it like this. Oh, okay. Like that. Alright. Create a list view chart. List view charts help you visualize your list view data. Erin wants to see which accounts represent the most overall pipeline value. So she's going to add a chart to all opportunities list view. Let's follow along. From the Sales app, click the Opportunities tab and select the All Opportunities list view. Let's see if we can find that. And from there, alright, found it. Click the pie chart. In the chart panel that appears, click the gear and select new chart. There we have the gear, new chart, pipeline total value. And give these parameters. Chart type, donut chart, some amount, account name. Note the aggregated type specifies how the field data is calculated by some count or average. The aggregated field type specifies the data type to calculate. The grouping field labels the chart segments. Okay. And now we have the theme. Here's in the picture. All looks good. When you create a list view chart for an object, such as opportunities or leads, the chart is associated with this object. The chart is available for any list view that you have permission to see for that object, except the recent viewed list. Hands-on challenge. Create a custom list view. Lance Park, one of Ursula Mayor's solar sales rep, wants to see a list of opportunities that are in the late stages of negotiation or have high probability to close, or both. Step into Lance's shoes and make that happen. Use the app launcher to open the Sales app. So we are there, it's the Sales app. Create a list view for opportunities named high probability opportunities. Okay, let's see. Opportunities, new, list name, high probability. Let all users see list view. Add a filter. Let's see, the stage equals greater than . greater or equal. Product price quote, negotiation review. Let's do this again. Greater or equal. And we can stack those, I hope. And this pay stage should equal proposal and negotiation review. And let's see. Let's see what happens if I remove this. I'm not going to be more, but anyway, I hope it works, and it's supposed to be like this. And then let's check if everything was done correctly. And we got the 500 points. That's great. So let's go on and tackle the next unit.